Newton's third law now is probably the most misunderstood of the three laws. Most commonly, it's known as the action and reaction law. Okay, and basically, it states that when object A exerts a force on object B, object B will exert an equal and opposite force back on object A, equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. Okay. The most common way that you hear it stated is that for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction. Okay, that's another way to state Newton's third law. And these two examples indicate the most common occurrence of Newton's third law, and that's the normal force. When gravity pulls downward on any object, physics book, you, the table, a chair, anything else, the surface that it's on will push back up on that object with an equal force in magnitude, exactly equal, and opposite in direction. The table will push back on this book. The floor pushes back on you with an exactly equal magnitude. And that has to happen in order for there to be no acceleration when you're standing on the floor. Because Newton's first law says you only get no acceleration if there's a balanced force. That means that your gravitational force has to equal the normal force that the floor is exerting on you. If the normal force is greater, you'll accelerate upwards. If the gravitational force is greater, you'll accelerate downward. And that's what happens in an elevator.